Oh, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Phileas Flash, and today, my darlings and my dearios, I am going to show you how to make a balloon battle axe. Not quite as fancy as this one. No, this is going to be something that you make for what we call line work, which is when you've got a line of children spreading out into the distance and you're trying to think of quick designs. So let's get rid of this. Ooh, sorry. And get on with the balloon. Now this balloon takes three balloons to make. Three balloons to make. 3 260s to be exact. And it will end up looking like this. You see, it's got two blades and a spike. This is the cutting edge line work balloon. It's not cutting edge at all. In fact, it's got airbags to make it safe to hit someone in the head with it. We're going to make that, and I'm going to show you how to make it very fast. The first thing you're going to do is take out a 260 from your lovely balloon apron, and you're going to inflate it pretty much all the way. Leave 2 inches tail at the end, like that. Let's see, it's about 1.5 inches actually. We're going to then knot it off, and you're going to make 1, 2, 3 bubbles, twisting the same way each time and keeping them in your hand. Turn the first of those bubbles into a pinch twist by pulling the ends together and twisting. Turn the second of the bubbles into a pinch twist the same way. And then the final one, you just take that knot and wrap it around the other 2 pinch twists. Ba-bam! Easy. You're then going to make a 4-inch bubble by twisting the balloon around. Then match it, so fold it back to the pinch twist, make a small twist, and then feed that into the pinch twists. Take the balloon back to the top, match it, and roll that balloon through the 2 existing 4-inch bubbles. Taking care to not let the balloon escape at the same time. Okay. Final one, you take it back to the pinch twist and you roll it around through them just like you did the first time. And that is the handle for your balloon. Ooh, get rid of that. Next up, you want to get a 260 and cut it into 2 pieces. Now, what I've done is I've taken this lovely pearl magenta one and I've cut it and then added a little knot into the end of this one. That way, when you inflate it, you can inflate it into 2 separate balloons. As you can see, I've inflated one half of this balloon fully, and the other half I've put 3 or 4 inches of air in it. I'm then going to take another balloon of the same colour. This grey one isn't the same. To show you how to do it though, I'm going to use 2 different colours, just to make it easy, but these should be the same colour. You're going to inflate that balloon fully and tie the ends of the 2 260s, that's the full 260, and this balloon here that I like to call Arthur balloon. Arthur. Take that balloon and tie them together, and then you have an attractive moustache to impress people at any Edwardian job you go to. Hello! One side of my moustache is smaller than the other. You're going to take that. You're going to get the handle of your axe, and you're going to feed the long part through, halfway through, so it rests, and you can check if it's halfway through, like this. Then take the shorter end and do the same thing below it. Take your 2 260s and tie them together like this. So now you have that shape. Remember this shape. We're going to come back to it in a minute. But to finish your axe, it's very easy. You take your small balloon, squeeze the air pretty much up to the end, make 2 small pinch twists, same as we made them on the handle, and then wrap that balloon and push it through the handle, this quad at the handle. Push a pinch twist through, and that gives you that deadly spike at the end. Look at that. Nah! And you've got this shape still. The final thing to do is just to shape this balloon to make it look more like a battle axe. I guess you could give that out to a kid and it's good enough. But myself, I'm going to use the warmth of my hand just by kneading the balloon like this. My favourite technique is just to shape it just by squeezing the air in and out, and it gives you a lovely shape like that. Your other alternative, of course, is to do a more generic shot twist, and all I'm doing is squeezing the balloon and then pulling and pinching like that, and you end up with something a bit more solid. Just shape it with the hand. If you do a shot twist there, it gives it that lovely shape. You can even put a shot twist in the base like that, and you've got a pretty cool axe shape. The great thing about balloons is they're very versatile. For example, why not snazz up your battle axe by using these fancy chrome balloons? Shiny. Another thing you can do, and this is great, is look at the shape of the axe and see if you can turn it into something completely different. I did exactly that with this dragon right here. Look, he looks like a dragon, but really he's a battle axe. Yeah, all I've done is I've taken the handle and I've changed the wings up just a little, used the 160 for the base end, and then taken that 160 spike that would have been at the top and used it to make spikes on the back of the dragon. The rest is just another 260 and a couple of scraps. Ah, there he goes. My favourite though, my favourite is this one. You're going to like this a lot. Look! Oh no, that's not it. My favourite one is this. This is a cool balloon crossbow, and it's made, yet again, from just 3 balloons. I've done exactly the same thing as before. I've just used 350s, so some different size of balloons, just for the handle and just for this top section here. I've then taken a 260, spread it between the two blades, the bow of the crossbow, to make the string. Oh, I also took the spike from the top. The spike from the top becomes an extra stabilizer just inside. I just wrapped it around, pushed it through the middle, and it makes it a lot more stable and secure. Let's see if this works. Fingers crossed. It works! Victory! And that is a really cool, simple balloon crossbow based exactly on that battle axe design. And that, as they say, is a wrap. So guys, thank you for joining me today. I know it's only a basic balloon battle axe, but I hope it's useful to you. Leave me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.